Yes.
Ah, come on. 1 plus 1 is 3. I say you are wrong. You say no, it's my opinion. It is simply not a matter of opinion that 1 plus 1 is 3. It's wrong. How will I be impartial if somebody says 1 plus 1 is 3 and I say yes?
Yes.
This is what the judge did in court. And how he dealt with, I think it's Munisi, is proper.
Yes. Yes.
Somebody cannot just say it's my opinion when it is totally wrong. And there was a point here. A witness today says, I have 2 phones. I borrowed my phones. People made calls. And we eliminate that evidence. Then we ask questions to try and insinuate that somehow Chico must have been called underground without anyone knowing. It can't be.
No.
Chico was called because Tabising said, I've given my phone to Kelly and to Mary.
Yes.
So you can't ask a question, how did Chico knows the number? It's simple.
Yes.
We will wrestle with that point because it is continuing to push the gossip narrative that Chico is a powerful person who is pushing an agenda.
Yes.
Even when the evidence is set in court, we eliminate it to push that narrative.
Yes.
I will refuse, Pradeni, and deal with that narrative harshly.
Yes.
Now, Kelly, relationship with Senzo, it was assessed with 1 SMS. It was read in court where Kelly was saying, hey, this relationship is doing what, I can't wait to get out of it. And Jiggy, we make a conclusion. Why? Because it's supporting the gossip narrative to push a certain conspiracy. Today, it was yesterday, when the evidence was read, an SMS was used to show that there is probably what, Danny? Relationship. I'm not in relationships. I don't know these terms. It's probably what the relationship.
Yeah.
And then we come here and we say, no, we must assess a message for a week. Why didn't we assess a week messages that were happening between Senzo and Kelly?
Yes.
To say, no, in fact, this is one message out of 100. Now, in this case, we want to apply the standard that we never applied somewhere else. No, it can't be.
Yes.
Because if we keep quiet, we are allowing this narrative that is baseless, that doesn't have any evidence. It's just a conspiracy theory that is gossiping to say this and this happened. We must deal harshly with that.
Yes.
And the judge is doing exactly that. He's saying, I don't have time here for people to waste my time talking about things that they fail to challenge the evidence. Now they want to say something else. You must deal with the evidence. You see, what is happening with my leader, Skano-san, I predicted, Praten. Shem, the judge is still going to be blamed.
Yes.
From now onwards, they are going to even ask the judge to recuse himself.
Yes.
Because he's not taking nonsense, and we need this case to close quickly.
Yes.
Then I am working in data space.
Yes.
You have people who make decisions, and then they go into the data to look something that will support their decision. That is not being data-driven. Being data-driven, you don't make decision and look into data to support your narrative.